Stop scrolling. I know exactly why you clicked this video. You're crushing it working from home. Maybe you're already deep into crypto, but you hit the wall. You want to earn serious Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but you don't have the initial capital to invest, right? We've all been there. You think you need thousands to start generating crypto profits. Guess what? You don't. Today, I'm breaking down 8 proven ways you can leverage Binance, the largest crypto exchange, to earn $50 to $100 daily, and we are starting from absolutely nothing. Yes, zero investment required. If you want to transform that WFH routine into a crypto cash machine, stay tuned. Welcome back, future crypto millionaire. This is Earn8 Bitcoin, and on this channel, we focus on smart, actionable strategies to grow your digital wealth. Many people want to make money from cryptocurrencies, but simply lack the funds to get started. But here's the game changer. With the right effort and strategy, Binance offers pathways to earn that goal of $50 to $100 daily, all without using your own funds. It takes consistency and effort, but these methods are real, and they work. Let's dive into the 3 huge reasons why this approach is perfect for young crypto earners and WFH professionals like you. Benefit point number 1, the potential for passive, scalable income. For those of us working from home, time equals money. You want methods that keep working while you're focused on your main job. That's where the Binance affiliate program shines. You sign up for the referral program, share your unique link on your blogs, social media, or YouTube channel, and you can earn a commission of up to 50% of the trading fees whenever your referrals trade on Binance. If you attract high-volume traders, this becomes a stable, ongoing source of passive income. Imagine earning while you sleep. That's the WFH dream. Alright, let's get into the heavy hitters. These are the 8 strategies straight from the source. Strategy 1 and 2, learn and earn, plus promotions, the quick wins. First up, 2 ways to literally get free crypto for minimal effort. For 1, learn and earn. Binance constantly runs this program, where you watch short educational videos about blockchain and crypto. Then, you complete quick quizzes to test your knowledge. What do you get? Free cryptocurrency rewards. You can trade those rewards for stablecoins, or simply withdraw them. It's an easy, zero-risk way to collect free tokens. Number 2, join Binance distributions and promotional events. Follow Binance on social media and look for giveaways and campaigns. You might earn free tokens just by completing simple tasks, like retweeting, signing up for newsletters, or trading specific tokens. While these amounts are often small, they accumulate over time and are valuable. Strategy 3 and 4, free capital, trading with house money. Now, let's talk capital. If you don't have money to trade, Binance might give you money to trade. Number 3, use free rewards for spot and futures trading. Look for promotions offering free USDT or other tokens as rewards, or demo trading competitions. You can use this money for trading and generate real profits without ever risking your own funds. If you make profits, you can withdraw them or reinvest them to grow your earnings. A quick warning, trading carries risk, so always learn proper strategies first. Number 4, stake free cryptocurrency to earn passive rewards. Did you get free tokens from Learn and Earn or a distribution? Don't let them sit. You can stake them in Binance Earn to generate interest. Staking means locking up the crypto to earn rewards over time. This allows you to passively increase your profits from tokens you acquired for free. Strategy 5 and 6, P2P and freelancing, the hustle. This next pair is perfect for WFH professionals who have skills or market savvy. Number 5, P2P arbitrage. The peer-to-peer market lets users trade directly. Arbitrage means taking advantage of price differences. You buy crypto at a lower price in one area or currency, and immediately sell it at a higher price in another market. Repeat this process, and with the right strategy, P2P trading can be a steady source of daily income. Number 6, freelancing and getting paid in cryptocurrency. Do you write, code, design, or market? Utilize those WFH skills. You can work as a freelancer and demand payment in cryptocurrency. Check job boards like CryptoJobs List or social media forums. Once you earn that crypto, you can exchange it on Binance or reinvest it. This is a fantastic way to bridge your professional skills with the crypto world. Strategy 7 and 8, high potential, the advanced plays. Finally, 2 methods that offer significant profit potential if you get in early. Number 7. Participate in Binance Launchpad and Launchpool. You can earn new tokens by staking existing tokens, often BNB, USDT, or other supported coins. You receive free tokens from new projects, and these tokens often increase significantly in value after launch. Many users have made significant profits from these launches. Number 8. Binance Affiliate Program, revisited for scale. Remember the affiliate program? We put it here again because attracting those high-volume traders is the way to really scale your earnings beyond the $50–100 range and build that true passive stream. That brings us to benefit point number 2. You are building highly valuable skills without any financial risk. If you are using the Learn and Earn programs or utilizing the free funds offered in trading promotions, you are gaining crucial market experience and knowledge. You learn how the system works. The market carries risk, yes, especially trading, but by leveraging free crypto and educational rewards, you are essentially practicing with house money. This foundation is invaluable as you scale up your experience. It's professional development paid for by Binance. And benefit point number 3. Consistency is the key to scaling. Earning $50 to $100 daily requires time and effort. But look at those small distributions and the free tokens you earn from staking. They accumulate. You start small, learn the system, and then you scale up. Those small amounts quickly become the capital you need for larger stakes or higher volume P2P arbitrage plays. You are bootstrapping your own investment portfolio using effort, not cash. We covered 8 powerful no-investment strategies on Binance: referrals, Learn and Earn, promotions, free trading funds, staking, P2P arbitrage, freelancing, and Launchpool. Whether you choose referrals, distributions, or freelancing, consistency is everything. It is absolutely possible to target $50 to $100 daily earnings using these strategic programs on Binance. This isn't just about quick cash, it's about establishing the financial freedom that being a WFH professional promises. It's time to start small and stack those digital coins. If this video gave you the roadmap you needed to start earning crypto today, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop new strategies every single week. And speaking of starting small, I've linked to a detailed guide on optimizing your referral strategy in the description below. Go check out that link right now. Click the link, start earning, and I'll catch you in the next video.